What? You don't start to play again, Abi? Eh? What? What? What?
Gami, what happened?
So you tired apart for here? You know here when I say was Abi?
I answer you now.
You answer make I dey shy. I call you like 4 times. You no wan answer. Who shop the remaining beans wey dey inside that pot?
Na rat o.
Rat.
Eh.
Na rat shop beans.
Na rat chop am yesterday.
No wahala. That rat go soon shop rat person. So but that rat wey shop that beans you go shop rat person. No wahala. Take. Go Mama Nkechi place. Go buy eba. Buy 3 eba. Make she give you goat meat. Shey you dey write am down?
I dey write am down.
3 goat meat. Make she give you 1 about 2 roundabout. Pẹ̀lú fuku, 1 fuku. If they get fish, make them put am.
You no chop liver?
No, I go shop kidney. I be make I shop esophagus all day. Now you wan shop the food?
No. You no drink anything too.
Buy 2 pure water.
Wetin me I go chop?
Oh, you wan shop? You wan shop, abi? You wan chop papers? Make no be like say. Hunger go kill you. Thunder na he go fire you. You see that big wey you shop, na he go shop for 2 weeks. So you comot for here, make you go buy wetin.
No.
You dey craze. Ibrahim, you nothing dey your head na game na you know to dey play. Abi, you want to be like Wos? Oya see what song wey your teacher dey teach you, wey your teacher don teach you for school, make I hear.
2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4.
Hey, 2 times 1 is that one a song? It's 2 times 1 song. You say I don already tell you. They just dey waste school fees money for your head. And then they pay school fee. I tell your mama make dem pay me small money. Make they follow me go workshop every Saturday. Make I dey teach you mechanic because you dey like this. Na only spanner and engine oil na in dey your head. Eh? I say make you see something. Dey see 2 times 1 too.
Show can sing another one.
Sing another one.
HIV for the hip.
Hey, hey, skinny.
HIV.
HIV. HIV for the hipopo. No, HIV for the ivovoni. Or the HIV call Ebola ni. You see, well, if like na loan your mama dey take pay your school fees because she no fit dey pay with better body. Make you dey sad like this. Eh? Nothing dey this your head. Go and carry your book. You want to fall me down? Ofe me shubu. Shaggy. Oga. Hey, Oga me, wetin happen? Hey, Oga me. I don try your number since last 2 weeks. Your number no go. 18 times na I call you today. Your number no go. I say wetin happen? I don dey scared o. I just dey fear say hope say no be say they don rob you abi your phone for inside gutter.
They will rob you, Shaggy. What did I say? They will rob you. Are you mad? Do I look like I'm here to joke? I look like a joker to you?
Joker, you are why you no be basket man. Oga me say I just dey try explain wetin.
Shaggy! If it was not for your neighbors that told me where you live, you would have just run away with my money. Eh? You will have scammed me. I am going to bring police to come and arrest you for scam.
Never reach like that. Why I go scam you? I no go see. Make I tell you wetin happen. You understand? Since last 2 weeks like this, I don fall sick. I just sick. I no fit chop. I no fit drink. I no fit do anything. I just in fact before you come, the drip wey doctor give me, I just drink and finish.
You just Shaggy, you know you are sick, but you collected my 35k. Eh? You collected my 35k, told me that the car was going to be ready by Sunday. This is 3 weeks.
Okay, I know. Okay, I know. Say na me say make you come Sunday, but wetin happen be say I sick gone. He say you see me, you understand this why they talk. I say I don't fit move my body like this. My body be like paper. If you people plenty for here, when they come greet me say, but Shaggy, sorry oh. I think I wan die. I don't almost like my will self. Okay, but that Sunday I can't go church. Now pastor pray for me where I dey okay like this. I no go lie. Oh long.
Okay. Thank God for you.
Thank God.
Thank God for you.
I love you like.
So when will my car be ready now?
Which car?
Which other car do I have? Which other car? Is it not my Nexus?
Oh, okay, that Lexus. I don't know say that one. I think say na the keke na pep because there's another person that be. Now I remember. Don't worry. By next week Wednesday, that one go ready. Now small thing remain.
Next week Wednesday, how? Shaggy, you said that there was nothing much wrong with the car now.
Sir, there's something much wrong with it. I no go lie you. You see that car like as it dey like that, the spinal cord joint that way dey for the wheelbarrow, e don spoil. The steering like this, e dey hard. If I go like it, but no worry because you are a customer. Customer is always right. I will use my own money to do it for you. I will not collect anything.
Gami.
What?
I don't bring your food come.
Hey, we food.
Well done.
Wait. Shaggy, I thought you said you were sick and you've not been able to eat for days.
Nah, you say make I help am buy eba.
Oga, you see wait, it's the one that don't know what's happening. It's me that want to surprise. I just give him money, pay me go buy food. It's him that want to shop the food. It's not me. It's just a surprise.
Oga mi. Na me go chop am.
Nah, you get am.
Make I go wash my hand.
Hey, go wash hand for waiting.
I want chop hunger dey worry me.
Okay, we go to wash hand because this corona period. Hey, sir, don't worry, your car will be ready. Yes.
Eh?
You don't sweep the floor for our house.
Go sweep am. Make I chop finish.
Nah, ready, but Oga mi, you no worry, your car that go so ready. Everything will be alright.
Excuse me?
Your car carry your lessons. You will be so ready.
Shaggy.
Yeah?
I'm going to be back here the day after tomorrow.
No.
If my car is not ready, I swear police is coming to come and arrest you.
Sir, no wahala. He will be ready. No, he will be ready.
We go do am.
Okay.
All right,
I'll
sir.
take my leave now.
Bye-bye.
Wait. You're not going to escort me?
Okay,
What kind of mechanic are you?
Nah, sorry,
Have
sir.
I not made a mistake like this?
No, you are not making a mistake.
Oga mi follow now.
May I follow? That's what I want to follow. May we escort am.
Dey chop.
Shaggy!
Yeah, alright, let's go, sir.
Thank you, Oga. Oga mi dey nice today.
Make sure my car is ready.
Yes, sir.
Nice person.
What?
Oga mi.
Wait, they chop my. Put that down. They chop my eba.
No be you say make I chop am.
So as I dey do like this for you, you know see abi? You see open one, I go slap your face for you. Idiot.
Shaggy, did you see my wallet? Shaggy, you are eating.
Sir, it's not like that. Na doctor prescription.
Original mumu.